Carmen.
And I'm Marisol.
Together,
And together we are
Carasols. So, today we're going to show you the polite way to cough. Yeah, coughing. Okay, so,
first step.
Number one. We're going to show you the wrong way to cough. Like this. No, that's not okay.
Spread the germs.
You're going to give it to the other people. You're going to be like, no, that's not okay.
Second.
Number two.
Step 2.
This is a polite way how to cough.
You turn around. You
get your elbow.
And you're going to bend it.
Both.
And you're going to go like this.
Yep, that's the nice way to cough. So this was a short video. Let's review it. Wrong way to cough, Marisol. Let's go. This is the wrong way to cough. You're spreading germs. That's not okay. This is the polite way to cough. And those were real coughs, by the way. We're not playing. We're sick. Sorry. Bye. Thank you.
And you can subscribe.
Subscribe. Drop a beautiful comment.
Like if you see,
press
like
like.
the other videos.
Press that like button.
Like.
Hey. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.